back end definitely feels planted, so the wing is doing its job. Nice heel and toe there. A bit of curb for the photographer over there. Hopefully we have a nice picture. If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to nürburgring.com where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. This car appeared in my rearview mirror yesterday, and then you sent me a DM because you took a picture of us when we were in a traffic jam. And then I realized you asked me if I would like to drive your car like many months ago. I'm like, well, why should I not do it now? And here we are. So, Seat Ibiza, right?
Ibiza Cupra.
Cupra. Yeah, tell us everything about it. Stock is like around 200 horsepower, 180 or something.
Stock is 192.
Yeah, yeah.
And now it's 360.
360?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is the reason why I could keep up with the GT3 RS.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but then there was some traffic in between, so yeah, we had to, yeah. But car is locked in. Very, very cool. I'm also very happy about the wing because you can definitely feel it working.
Yeah.
I think you actually need a bigger splitter to compensate for that, because the car is understeery. Yeah, and I think suspension setup is top notch. We can also see lots of camber and it's very good. So what my impression was, I think it's the wing making too much downforce, and yeah, you're saying probably right. So yeah, you need to compensate that for the future, because other than that, I really, really loved the car. So walk us through it. I mean, where's the wing from, first of all? Because this like
There are two parts, because it's BIC of UK, I think.
Yeah.
But this part is aluminium.
Okay.
And in 2023, police stopped me.
Yeah.
And I need to fix it.
Yeah.
And change it to carbon.
Yes.
And it's carbon for dark side.
Dark side developments.
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay.
Maybe it's something like that.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Very cool. Although I have an aero company myself, still waiting for the sign. I really appreciate stuff that is working. So yeah, cool stuff. Yeah, custom exhaust, judging by the central pipe, I guess. Yeah. What suspension is it on?
It's the worst part. It's BC Racing.
All right.
At 70% street.
Okay.
It's B1, I think is the name.
Okay. It was still quite good. It was a bit on the soft side, but actually I really liked it. It made the chassis really nice and compliant, I would say. So it was really not bad. Sometimes I'm a bit harsh on BC Racing, but sometimes when it works, it works. So this is definitely good. Can we see anything underneath the bonnet, or is it stock? Under the bonnet, under the hood. Is anything worth seeing?
Yeah, it's a...
If there is anything
nice.
nice.
Turbo.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna show the interior. Well, that was also an important part. Different seats, short shifter, and then we have a bigger. Oh yeah, big boosty boy. It was not bad in terms of lag. I expected the car to be more laggy, but it was actually good. It was really, really good. I done as you told me to shift at 6, so it was good. I think oil was getting towards 125 maybe one time, but yeah. All right, I gotta run. So thank you very much.
You too.
And you guys enjoy the lap. And if you have more questions today about the car, you can send him a DM. We're ready. Made it to the track. Let me try to put the car back in before I forget it. Right on. Ooh, that's a very spicy 205 ahead of us. Okay, so you might see we have traction control off, but it's actually maximum you can do in this car is to put it in sport mode. David told me to shift it at 6. Sorry. 6. Let's see. So far, good impression. Stable. I'm looking forward to do some high-speed cornering with the feel if the wing is working. Something is flapping around on the back, but so I think that this car has also fixed solid beam rear axle, like most of those entry-level VHE platforms have. Quite understeery on the throttle, so I need to be really off the gas and hit on the brakes, maybe for trail braking. That's much better. The back end definitely feels planted, so the wing is doing its job. Nice heel and toe there. A bit of curb for the photographer over there. Hopefully we have a nice picture. The air ones need to be warmed up as well, of course, so fast GT3 RS behind us. That's a nice rotation. Now it can go. Come on. The handling is really, really good. Just need to watch out for the occasional traffic. Yeah, that was really nice. Confident. And even on corners, on tiny bit of emergency braking, the car didn't budge. So the back end is really nice and stable. I like that. Very, very good. Unfortunately, we have some traffic here. Nice and stable. Very, very good. Second gear, maybe a bit too much, but yes, I'm enjoying following that, at least trying to unnecessary upshift. Traffic, very busy TF session, of course. Quick glance on the temperatures, 115 for the oil, not too bad. Everything so far is working nicely, including the brakes, and the chassis handling is very nice. Now it's going to get interesting. ahead of us is the Fiesta that I drove yesterday when I saw this car in my rearview mirror. That's, I think, Tilo's old Cupra. Yep. Very cool. I was quiet because I was just enjoying the ride. There is not much to complain about. Actually, a lot to praise. First of all, the wing is working, so that's good. But I think it might be working maybe a bit too much because the understeer that I had at the beginning and also towards the end of the lap, of course you can work around it with having more lift off oversteer, be like less on throttle, but once you go on the gas, then instantly the what's it called, you have so much more understeer. Of course it's front wheel driven, but you feel that it's significantly more than it usually would be. So my opinion, I think probably the wing needs to be balanced out. My mom is calling me, so I'll call her back. Wing needs to be balanced out with a bigger splitter, probably. Maybe you can work around with rake. Because suspension setup, I mean, the damping was very good. Did I? I did. The damping setup, so compression and rebound, I really enjoyed it, very liked it. Alignment, I don't know if it can be aggressive, more aggressive, or it is maxed out. But who knows? I'm kind of blocking the lane here because people don't really respect the rules. And by meaning that, yeah, he's telling him to go there. Because everyone on the right lane needs to go to the car park and everyone on the left is taking the exit. But because everyone is taking the right lane to go to the exit, it's becoming a mess. So yeah. Anyway, really enjoyed it. Thank you, David, for this experience. Yeah, cool car. And even, to be fair, like the sport mode and traction control was not that bad. I expected much worse. So overall, quite happy.